Survey carried out at Kamulima farming block showed that 44 farmers planted maize, 32 planted sweet potatoes, 37 planted cassava, 14 planted both maize and sweet potatoes, 24 planted both sweet potatoes and cassava, 20 planted both maize and cassava, 9 planted all the three crops, and 6 did not plant any of these crops. Illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. Okay, so this is question B1. So we come up with a Venn diagram. So this is a Venn diagram containing 3 sets. So the crops that were grown by farmers at this farming block were maize. So here is a maize. What else? Sweet potatoes. And what? Cassava here. So now, how many farmers didn't plant anything? So we are told that 6 did not plant any of these crops. So 6 will be written outside. So now, how many farmers planted all the 3 crops will be at the intersection here. All the 3 crops, or farmers who planted all the 3 crops. So we are told that 9 planted all the 3 crops. 9 planted all the 3 crops. So you put that number at the intersection. 9. This is 9. This is 9. Then now we move to those farmers that were growing 2 different crops. 2 different crops. So we are told that 24. Here we start from here. 14 planted both maize and sweet potatoes. 14 both maize and sweet potatoes. 14 both maize and sweet potatoes. Maize and sweet potatoes, it's here. So now we are not going to write 14 planted both maize and sweet potatoes. We need to say 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. You need to subtract each time. You need to subtract the number at the center. So 14 minus 9, we get 5. This is 9, of course. We get here maize and sweet potatoes, it's here 5. Then 24 planted both sweet potatoes and cassava. 24 sweet potatoes and cassava, so it's here. Are we going to write 24? No, we need to subtract 24. We need to subtract 9 from 24. So you get 24, you take away 9, you remain with what? 15. We are not writing the numbers directly. 24. Did I write 24 here? No. What did I do? I subtracted 24 by the number at the center. So 24 minus 9. You always subtract the answer from. You always subtract 24. You subtract 24 from the answer at the center. So you say 24 minus 9 is 15. The next. 20 planted both maize and cassava. 20 planted both maize and cassava. So maize and cassava, the intersection is here. Are we going to write 20? No, we are going to say 20 minus 9. This number which is at the intersection. So 20 minus 9. We are getting what? 11. So 11 should be put here. Now we need to complete those who are planting one crop only. Those who are planting maize only. So a survey carried out at Kamulima farming block showed that 44 farmers planted maize. So 44 planted maize. So this is the set for maize. So we have 5. This is the set for maize. This is the set for maize. We have 5, 9, 11. 5, 9, 11. 5, 9, 11. This is the set for maize. So now we are told that 44 farmers planted maize. So now what are we going to do? We add 5. This is the set for maize. 5 plus 9. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So 25. How many farmers are remaining for us to get 44 farmers? So you say 44. You subtract 25. You get 19. You get 19 farmers here. So when you add 5 plus 11 plus 9, 20, 25 plus 19, you get 44 farmers. Then how many farmers planted sweet potatoes? 32 planted sweet potatoes. 32 planted sweet potatoes. So the total number of farmers who planted sweet potatoes were 32. So 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. So 29, how many farmers are remaining for us to have 32 farmers is 3. 29 plus 3 is 32. So how many farmers planted cassava? How many farmers planted cassava? 32 planted, 37 planted cassava. 37 farmers planted cassava. So how many do we have at the moment? 15 plus 9, 11 plus 9, 20. This is the number of farmers who planted cassava. So 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 15, 35. How many are required? 37. So here we have 20, 35. So 35, from 35 to 37, how many farmers are needed? How many more farmers? 2. So because this is 35 plus 2, we get 37. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram. Then now, question 2, how many farmers were at this farming block? So to calculate the number of farmers who were at this farming block, we need to add everything. We need to add all the numbers including 6. So it's 19 plus 5 plus 3 plus 11. So it's 19 plus 19 plus 5 plus 3 plus 11 plus what? 9. You add up everything. Plus 9 plus 6 plus 2, okay, plus 15. Everything you add up. 19 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 15 plus 11 plus 2 plus 6. So this is 19, 5 plus 3 plus 11 plus 9 plus 2 plus 15 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try to add everything. So 19 plus 5 plus 3 plus 11 plus 9 plus 15 plus 2 plus 6. You get 70 farmers. So the answer is 70 farmers. So the total number of farmers were 70 farmers. Then the next question, how many farmers planted maize only? Those who planted maize what? Maize only. How many farmers planted maize only? So we move. How many farmers planted maize only? It's 19. Those who planted sweet potatoes only is 3. Those who planted cassava only is 2. Now we are interested in the question. The question is telling us how many farmers planted maize only. So it's 19. Those who planted maize only is 19. So 19 farmers. How many farmers planted 2 different crops? So those who planted 2 different crops is those farmers that lie in the intersection 5, 11 and 15. 5, 11 and 15. You add 5 plus 11 plus 15. 5 plus 15 plus 11, 26. 26 plus 5 is 31. So the total number of farmers is 31 farmers. Thank you very much.